Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by softening the adhesive immediately. Hold a heat source 2-3 inches away and move continuously to avoid scorching. While you heat, slide a plastic scraper under a corner to create a gap. The heat makes the glue pliable, so you can lift slowly. Once the edge lifts, continue heating ahead of the scraper to keep the bond soft. Make sure to protect printing with a towel under the jersey and avoid direct prolonged contact that could melt fibers. Continue by peeling the sticker steadily at a low angle. This reduces stress on fabric and prevents ink lifting. Once the sticker is mostly removed, inspect for residue. Apply a small amount of adhesive remover to a microfiber cloth and gently blot. Do not saturate. If you see fibers lift, stop and reapply heat instead. For stubborn bits, use a soft bristled brush with soapy water to coax them off. Remember, patience preserves the jersey's print and fabric integrity. Finish by hand-washing the area with mild detergent and lukewarm water, rinsing thoroughly and air-drying flat to avoid distortion. If a tiny adhesive mark remains, treat it with a paste of baking soda and water, rub gently, then rinse. If at any point the ink or fabric begins to lift or fray, stop immediately. Continuing can cause permanent damage. One key troubleshooting tip: if heat or solvents worsen the issue, take the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.